I am Satish Jange from Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. Subject Engineering Geology. Today, now I will be discuss minerals physical property, chemical property, and crystal structure. First, we will discuss mineralogy definition. Prerequisite discussion. Inorganic substance which has more or less definite atomic structure and chemical composition. It has constant physical property which are used in identification of mineral in the field. It can be divided into two groups. First, rock forming mineral which are found in evidence of the earth crust, or forming minerals which are economic valuable minerals. Minerals subgroups are given follow. Since the determination of atomic structure and chemical composition required complex laboratory tests, the more easy recognized physical properties are used in the identify. The mineral may be subdivided in two groups. First, mineral groups and examples. फर्स्ट है ऑक्साइड. मिनरल ग्रुप ऑक्साइड में कौन कौन से मिनरल्स आते हैं? फर्स्ट है आपका क्वार्ट्ज, मैग्नेटाइट, हेमेटाइट, लिमोनाइट. सेकंड है सिलिकेट ग्रुप. सिलिकेट ग्रुप्स के अंदर आते हैं आपके माइका, फल्सफार, हॉर्नेब्लैंड, एगाइट, ऑलिवेंस. थर्ड है कार्बोनेट ग्रुप, कैल्साइट, डोलोमाइट, सिड्राइट, etc. Fourth is sulfide group, pyrite, galena, sphalerite. Fifth is sulfide group, gypsum, next chloride, rock salt. Over 400 minerals exist in the earth crust. All are composed of oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, फल्सफार etc. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मिनरल. सबसे पहले अपन फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ेंगे, इसकी क्रिस्टलाइज स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ेंगे, केमिकल कंपोजिशन क्या होते हैं, उन सब के बारे में अपन यहाँ स्टडी करेंगे. फर्स्ट है आपके कलर, स्ट्रिक, लशर, स्ट्रक्चर, हार्डनेस, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी, क्लीवेज, फ्रैक्चर, टेनिसिटी, फॉर्म. अब जितनी भी इसकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी है उनको अपन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? या तो अपन डायरेक्ट उसको देखकर या फिर उसका टेस्ट कर कर अपन ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि कौन सा मिनरल है, उसकी ये फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी है जिससे वो कितना हार्ड है, कितना सॉफ्ट है, या फिर उसका देखने में स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, ये सब अपन पता कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट है आपका कलर. Color is not constant in most of mineral, and commonly the color is due to stain or impurities in the mineral. Some minerals show peculiar phenomena connected with color. Play of color. It is developed of a series of prismatic color shown by some minerals or turning about in light. Change of color. It is similar to play color. That rate of change of color on rotation is rather slow. Some minerals show rainbows color either in their interior on our surface. This is termed iridescence. Since mineral possess characteristics and fairly constant color, for example, the light gray or galena, brass yellow, or pyrite and green of chloride. Next, streak, which is the color of mineral powder form, is nearly constant than the color. The streak is determined by making unglassed property simply by scratching it with the knife and observing the color of powder. Next, luxure. It is the appearance of fresh surface of mineral in ordinary reflected light. The following are the important terms used to denote the luxure of mineral: glassy or virtuous luxure, metallic luxure. When a mineral has luxure like metal, purely luxure like pearls. Next, structure. This is the term used to denote the shape and form of mineral. The following are the important terms used to denote the structure of mineral. First, columnar structure. The mineral has a thick or thin column-like structure. Bladed structure. The minerals has deposited in blades-like structure is non-bladed structure. Radiated structure. The columnar or fibrous diverging from central point is known as radiate structure. Similarly, we can see of rocks, the laminar structure, plated water structure, the mineral made of separable for an aggregate like bunch for kidney shape is known as laminar structure. Next, hardness. It is the resistance of mineral offered to abrasion or scratching, and it measures relative to standard scale of 10 minerals, known as Moore scale of hardness. When any mineral we will scratch and abrade to each other, then it is easily scratch. It is soft mineral and do not scratch on the surface. It is non-hard mineral. It is denoted by Moore scale. When value of Moore scale is more, then mineral is hard, and value is less, then mineral is soft. Some minerals hardness is given. Hardness mineral 0.1 टाल्क की होती है, 0.2 जिप्सम की होती है, 3 कैल्साइट की होती है, 4 फ्लोराइड की होती है, 5 एफ्टाइट की होती है, 6 ऑर्थोक्लेज की होती है और 7 क्वार्ट्ज की होती है. The scale comprise 10 minerals arranged to order of ascending hardness. The soft is assigned a value of 1 and the hardest value of 10. Hardness of any mineral will lies in between these two limits. Next, specific gravity. स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी क्या होती है? हम वाटर के कंपैरिजन में किसी भी मिनरल या फिर रॉक्स या स्टोन्स की निकालते हैं तो उसके लिए हमेशा ये वाटर के रेफरेंस में ही निकालते हैं. फर्स्ट अपन एक बर्तन लेते हैं जिसमें स्टोन फिल कर देते हैं या मिनरल्स फिल कर देते हैं. उसके बाद में उसे अपन पानी फिल करेंगे. उसमें जब पूरा सैचुरेटेड हो जाएगा तब उसका वेट कर लेंगे. वेट करने के बाद में उसको खाली करके फिर उसमें अपन ओनली पानी फिल कर देंगे. तो पानी के रेस्पेक्ट में उसका कितना वेट है वही उसकी क्या होती है? स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी. It may be defined as the density of mineral compared to the density of water, and as such represent a ratio like specific gravity of mineral is the ratio of its weight of an equal volume of water. Specific gravity of mineral depend upon the weight and spacing of its atoms. Next, cleavage. It is defined as the tendency of crystallized mineral to break along certain defined plane, yielding more or less smooth surface. क्लीवेज क्या होता है? ये एक क्रिस्टलाइज स्ट्रक्चर होती है जिसके कारण उस प्लेन के अकॉर्डिंग अपन कोई भी उस पर लोड लगाते हैं तो वो उस प्लेन के अकॉर्डिंग, उस क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग वो क्या होता है, ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है। वो उस मिनरल्स की क्लीवेज कहलाती है। क्लीवेज इज रिलेटेड टू इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए मिनरल। द क्लीवेज प्लेन area always parallel to some face of the crystal form typical of mineral. It is also described on the basis of perfection or the degree of easiness with which mineral can split along cleavage plane. Next, fracture. Fracture of a mineral may be defined as the appearance of its broken surface. Commonly type of fracture are given. Conchoidal fracture, the broken surface show concentric rings or curve shape is known as conchoidal fracture. Even fracture flat, when the broken surface is smooth. And next, uneven fracture. When the minerals break with an irregular surface, it is a common fracture of many minerals. Next, splintery structure. When the minerals break with a rough, it is known as splintery structure. We can see the generally stones which are formed from the hills areas is considered as a splintery structure. Tonicity. Importance properties related to tonicity of the minerals are expressed by the terms like balance, flexibility, elasticity, sexuality, malleability, etc. When a mineral can be cut with a knife, it is termed sectile, and if the slice cut out from it can be flattened under a hammer. It is also said malleable. Brittle minerals term elastic is used if it is regains its formation shape as the present pressure is released. Monolithic system. The monolithic system include all these forms that can be referred to these crystallographic axes which are essentially unequal in length, and further that can be of these is always inclined. Axially diagram. All these three axes are unequal. They are designated by a letter ABC. The C axis is always vertical. The inclined axis A, it is inclined toward the observer and is also referred as clinoaxis. Normal class symmetry. These are three symmetry class placed in monoclinic system. The symmetry of normal class is given below. First, axis symmetry. Axis of two-fold symmetry only. Plane of symmetry. First, plane of symmetry only, and a center of symmetry. The plane of symmetry is that plane which contain the crystallographic axes A and C. Next, forms. The common forms of the system are Pinacoid, it is an open form of two faces, each face being parallel to the two axes and cutting the third at unit length. Three pinacoids are discussed in the monoclinic system. Next, domes. A dome is also form of two faces, each face meeting the vertical axis and one of the other two axes. It is parallel to the third axis. The two types of dome are recognized: orthodome, clinodome, prism. These are the three types of prism is there: unit prism, orthoprism, clinoprism. Pyramids. These are the closed form, and in these each face meet all the three axes: unit pyramid, orthopyramid, clinopyramids. Next form, the internal atomic arrangement of mineral is manifested outwardly by developed if the geometrically shape or crystal characters. The form may be following three types. First, crystallized, amorphous, crystalline, crystallized. When the minerals occur in the form of well-defined crystal. Next, amorphous, when it shows absolutely no sign or evidence of crystallization. Crystalline, when well-defined crystals are absent but a marked tendency toward crystallization.